It's time for our top 10. Coming in at number 10, GM down 1%. The car company surpassed Toyota in the J.D. Power Quality Survey for the first time in 27 years. The GMC truck brand ranked second, coming in behind Volkswagen's Porsche.
And Tesoro up 1% today. The refiner announcing its North Dakota refinery will increase crude rates after finishing repairs to one of its units. This will boost diesel output in North Dakota and Minnesota's markets.
At number 8, we've got TripAdvisor up just 0.5%. The travel recommendation site has acquired Gate Guru. It's a mobile app with real-time flight and airport information. The move will bolster TripAdvisor's ability to give up-to-date travel information to its clients.
Number 7, Adobe up 6%. The largest maker of graphic design software is reporting second quarter profit that tops estimates. Sales were boosted by an increase of subscribers to Adobe's cloud computing services.
And Sotheby's up 1%. The auctioneer specializing in fine arts getting a boost today from a Stifel note reporting that Sotheby's may be looking to sell its New York City headquarters. Again, by the way, they have used this over and over again in various sale leasebacks to fund cash flow. The analyst rated the stock a buy, citing unrealized value in the property.
And number 5, we've got one a lot of people are talking about today, Men's Wearhouse, down just about 1%. Now, the board of the company has fired the founder and public face, George Zimmer. He founded it in 1973. Men's Wearhouse did not provide a reason for the ousting, but did say the annual shareholder meeting has been delayed. Zimmer is famous for his company's catchphrase, of course. Take a listen here.
You're going to like the way you look. I guarantee it.
And so everybody is making a play on that phrase today. The question is, where does the company go from here? It looks like it still has the rights, by the way, to those commercials, guys. But one analyst I talked to, Stifel Nicholas, said, you know, he's been pulling back over the past few years gradually, but this is quite abrupt. It might be the board saying to him, it's time to let go, George.
Well, okay.
You haven't been letting go of the reins.
Okay, Jules, you know what? Fine. If he can't be the CEO anymore, I get it. I understand. Time to move on.
But just let him be in the commercials,
let him do
right?
Thank you. Yes.
Well, but they still own the commercials. They don't even need the guy for the
They can hire him now. It's like that sale leaseback that Sotheby's might do with their building. Just use his voice.
I mean, also, he came out with a statement today. He doesn't sound too happy, as you might imagine, about what's going on. He says that essentially the board didn't like suggestions that he had for the company. So, you know, obviously contentious divide here.
I say I agree with Adam. Just keep them from commercials. We'll do a lease back. Number 4, NVIDIA up 3%. The company specializing in chip technology is planning to license its products to other chip makers. The company, the largest company in its class, is trying to broaden its revenue sources as it fights the worst PC slump on record.
And Sprint down 4% today, happening as Dish Network passed on making a new offer to buy Sprint in time for the proposed deadline. Dish said it's still considering a deal, but it's focusing on a separate Clearwire buyout.
And number 2 is FedEx, up 1%. The company forecasts full-year earnings that could rise up to 13% as it reduces costs and jobs.
All right, let's go to our number 1. It's not a stock here. We're looking at yield. The 10-year yield ticking up to its highest level since March of 2012. This is, of course, after Ben Bernanke struck a more optimistic tone there. You can see up about 15, so up 6.82% at 2.33.